An electric router is an essential power tool for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, offering unparalleled versatility, precision, and efficiency in shaping, trimming, and cutting wood. Equipped with a high-speed motor and interchangeable router bits, this tool can perform a variety of tasks, from creating decorative edges and intricate inlays to cutting precise joinery like dovetails and dados. Modern electric routers come with advanced features such as variable speed controls, allowing users to adjust the rotation speed based on the material and bit size, ensuring clean and splinter-free cuts. Depth adjustment mechanisms provide fine-tuned control, enabling users to achieve consistent cutting depths for professional-grade accuracy. Many models also feature plunge capabilities, allowing the router bit to start above the surface and then be lowered into the workpiece, which is ideal for intricate groove work and template routing. Additionally, ergonomic grips, soft start motors, and dust collection systems enhance usability, reducing hand fatigue and keeping the workspace clean. Whether mounted on a router table for added stability or used freehand for detailed craftsmanship, an electric router is an indispensable tool for woodworking projects of all scales. Beyond woodworking, an electric router plays a crucial role in a variety of applications, including plastic and aluminum fabrication, cabinetry, and even sign making. With the right combination of router bits, such as straight bits for cutting grooves, chamfer bits for beveled edges, or roundover bits for smooth contours, this tool becomes a powerhouse for precision shaping. Innovations in electric router technology have led to brushless motors that provide longer lifespan and increased efficiency, along with digital depth adjustments that allow for micro-level accuracy. Many routers now integrate LED work lights for improved visibility, and some even feature Bluetooth connectivity for real-time speed and performance monitoring. Safety enhancements such as electronic brakes, soft start functions, and improved base stability minimize the risk of kickback and ensure controlled operation. Whether crafting furniture, customizing moldings, or executing detailed artistic designs, an electric router delivers the power, control, and adaptability needed to transform raw materials into finely finished masterpieces.